Hello and welcome to the 2017 SMPTE Society elections. I'm your host, Ryan Salazar, and today we have Peter Wharton. Peter is the Vice President of Technology and Business Development at Broadstream Solutions, and he's running for Membership Vice President. How you doing, Peter?
Hi, Ryan. It's great to see you. It's good to be here. Thank you.
All right, well, thanks so much for being with us. Please introduce yourself and your day job.
Thank you. Well, I am the Vice President of Technology and Business Development for Broadstream Solutions, and we make software for the broadcast industry for playout. And so I lead that team, and as well as doing lots of other work for SMPTE on the side.
Okay, so what's your involvement with SMPTE?
My involvement with SMPTE goes back more than 20 years when I started doing a technology conference back then called the Weeby SMPTE Conference back in the late 90s, which has more recently evolved and morphed into what's called Bits by the Bay. And it's a 2-day technology conference we have here in the Washington, D.C. area. So I've been doing that conference for 20 years now. And along with that time, I've also been a manager with SMPTE. I've been the Eastern Regional Governor, and currently I serve as the Secretary and Treasurer for the Society.
All right, so if you would, please mention your experiences, professional, personal, as well as SMPTE experiences, and how they relate to your qualifications for office.
Well, I've had a wide range of roles in the industry as working in here. Everything from starting in campus radio, being the chief engineer for a college radio station is where I started, to working for both ABC and Fox networks, covering Washington and the White House and doing special events coverage, to working for Pan Amsat as a satellite company, helping launch next generation delivery platforms, and then to Miranda, where I spent 16 years working in a wide range of engineering and management roles, and now most recently at Broadstream. So I've worked in a very wide range of industries, both on the end user side as well as a supplier side, which gives me a lot of insight in how a lot of different parts of the industry work together. And during that entire time, I've also been involved with SMPTE and helping SMPTE grow and help our local section grow. And today we're over 220 members, and we're growing every day.
All right, so if you would, please share some examples of your volunteer experience with SMPTE and how it has impacted the society, reflecting on growth and improvement.
Well, probably the biggest thing I do is the Bits by the Bay conference. So that is a conference we get 150 attendees every year. We sell it every year. So we actually have a waiting list of people who want to come to it, but we can't hold more than that. And it's really a great chance to bring the technology to our local section and help train our local attendees and nurture the next generation of SMPTE members as well in the latest of technology. So it's been a really transformative thing for our local section, and something that's also gained a lot of notice throughout the country, what we're doing here. Then at SMPTE, as Secretary Treasurer, I spent a lot of time working to help grow SMPTE, help make sure we're on a strong footing, and to make sure that we're relevant as we proceed into this next generation of technology.
Okay, so what is one goal that you believe the society should work towards, and if elected, what are your plans to help accomplish that goal?
I think we really need to have outreach and growth in our next generation of members. So particularly focusing on high school and college and postgraduate students and growing those student sections. My predecessor, Bill Miller, has done an amazing job of growing student sections globally for SMPTE over the last several years, and I intend to continue in that because I think it's that next generation of membership that is essential for us to keep growing and sustain ourselves.
All right, again, Peter Wharton, Vice President of Technology and Business Development at Broadstream Solutions. Peter, again, is running for Membership Vice President. Thank you so much, and good luck with the election.
Thank you so much, Ryan. Great to see you again.